Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the battery replacement process for your Dyson V10, you will need a few specific tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a small plastic prying tool. Ensure you have these items ready before starting. First, ensure that your Dyson V10 is unplugged and lay it on a flat surface. This will make it easier to access the battery compartment. Next, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum cleaner. There should be a total of 4 Phillips screws securing the battery cover. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws carefully, placing them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently use the flathead screwdriver or the plastic prying tool to lift the battery cover off. Be cautious during this step, as you don't want to damage any clips or connectors. Now, you should see the battery compartment. The battery is held in place by 2 additional screws. Again, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. After you have taken them out, carefully disconnect the battery connector by pulling it straight out. At this point, you can remove the old battery. If you are replacing it with a compatible option, ensure that the new battery matches the specifications of the original Dyson V10 battery. To install the new battery, connect it to the battery connector firmly. Then, place the battery back into the compartment and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Remember to replace the screws in the same order they were removed to ensure a proper fit. Next, reattach the battery cover by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Use the Phillips screwdriver to replace the 4 screws securing the cover. Once everything is securely in place, it's important to test your vacuum. Plug it in and turn it on to make sure the new battery is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, it may be beneficial to seek professional diagnosis without obligation. This way, you can ensure that your Dyson V10 is functioning optimally. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this replacement, remember that we offer pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just a simple, convenient option for battery replacement. Plus, we can provide you with a quote before any repair takes place, ensuring transparency in service. In summary, replacing the battery on your Dyson V10 is a manageable task with the right tools and instructions. Following these steps closely will help you restore your vacuum's performance without hassle. If you need assistance at any time, don't hesitate to reach out to our professional services for help. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.